Welcome to IQ Quiz.
This is a free 15-question IQ test. Each question is multiple choice with 4 options. You get 1 point for each correct answer. In the end, we add up your points. A high score means your IQ is likely above average. An average score will be around 8 to 10 out of 15. Keep score as you go, and don't worry if some seem tricky. Now let's start with question 1. What is 1/4 of 1/10 of 1/2 of 400? The answer is C, 5. First, 1/2 of 400 is 200. 1/10 of 200 is 20. 1/4 of 20 is 5. Which of these words is a palindrome? Reads the same forward and backward. The answer is D, level. A palindrome is a word you can read the same way from both ends. Level is spelled L-E-V-E-L, forward and backward. Complete the number sequence. 2, 6, 12, 20. The answer is C, 30. The pattern adds consecutive even numbers. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 plus 8 equals 20. So next add 10. 20 plus 10 equals 30. If you start facing north, then turn left 90 degrees, then turn right 180 degrees. Which direction are you facing now? The answer is B, east. Start facing north. Turn left 90 degrees and you face west. Then turn right 180 degrees from west, which points you east. Choose the analogy that best matches. Ball is to bounce as car is to. The answer is C, drive. Balls bounce and cars drive. This is a basic analogy problem. What is the next number in the Fibonacci-like series? 5, 8, 13, 21, 55. The answer is A, 34. Each term is the sum of the two before it. 5 equals 13, 8 plus 13, 21, 13 plus 21, 34, then 21 plus 34, 55. A person walks 3 kilometers north and then 4 kilometers east. How far are they from the starting point? Straight line distance. The answer is B, 5 kilometers. This is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. 3 square plus 4 square, 5 square. The straight line distance is 5 kilometers. 1,000 milligrams is equal to how many grams? The answer is B, 1 gram. There are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. Therefore, 1,000 milligrams divided by 1,000 equals 1 gram. Which one of these is least like the others? The answer is D, banana. Cat, dog, and fish are animals. A banana is not. What is 25% of 80? The answer is B, 20. 20% of 80 is 16, but 25%, 1/4 of 80 is 20. Which number is a prime number? 51, 57, 59, or 69? The answer is C, 59. The number 59 has no divisors other than 1 and itself. 51, 57, and 69 are all divisible by smaller numbers. Think of any number, double it. Add 6, divide by 2, subtract your original number. What number do you always end up with? The answer is B, 3. Let the original number be x. Double it, 2x. Add 6, 2x plus 6. Divide by 2, x plus 3. Subtract the original, x. Result is 3. Baker is to cake as sculptor is to... The answer is A, stone. A baker makes cakes, a sculptor works with stone. What comes next in the series? 2, 4, 8, 14, 22. The answer is B, 32. The differences are plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10. After 22, add 10 to get 32. 5 machines take 5 minutes to make 5 widgets. How many minutes would it take 100 machines to make 100 widgets? The answer is B, 5 minutes. If 5 machines make 5 widgets in 5 minutes, each machine makes 1 widget in 5 minutes. So 100 machines can make 100 widgets in the same 5 minutes. Count your score out of 15. Remember, average is around 8 to 10. That means IQ around 100. If you scored higher, your reasoning skills are above average. How did you do? Let us know in the comments and challenge your friends to beat your score. And don't forget to subscribe for more brain teasers and quizzes every week.